One of the interesting groups I would like to invite here is writers. And really it's content producers in general. It's the type of job you can do anywhere. In fact, you might want a place that had support for that and quiet and other people doing a similar thing so you can cross-pollinate each other's ideas, so we can learn how to publish our own books or materials, so that we can even write up courses and workshops, which I'm qualified to run certain of those. And we could have people, as the system grows, well, that's a different topic. Right now we're just talking about individual producers producing their soft product to go out online, books and whatever. That would be great. I don't know if you've heard of NaNoWriMo. That's National Novel Writers Month or something. And it's in November, where people come and write a book in 1 month. And I did read the book by Chris Beatty about that. It's a simple little book about his vision for what NaNoWriMo is. And that would be great to host people for NaNoWriMo. It's a time of the year when we don't have a lot of other projects. We would have to have a little bit warmer housing because it gets kind of chilly in the winter. We could have meetings of writers to edit each other's stuff, to bounce around ideas, share different styles of writing, ways of doing it. And so when you think of hosting people for just a month, that's more like a workshop. So that requires a different kind of housing and a different kind of space. But there could also be some of those people, maybe that's the way we recruit people as longer term resident writers, where we could host for workshops, and not just in November, but maybe at other parts of the year as well, maybe a bunch of parts of the year, like all of it, where people could come in for a month. We get to know them, and then some of those people like the place, they like the culture. In fact, it'd be nice if all of them we invited were people that liked the culture, and they're potentially recruits for being longer term residents here, and they can have their wonderful writing career be burgeoning. And we can have other people who write review articles about their books and promote their books, and help with marketing of books and book-related things, or art. Same thing with art, like it depends on the kind of exact art you produce. But, you could be doing all kinds of stuff. So knowledge workers or content producers of all kinds could be here.